Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in Bank Nifty options today. Possibly we will be focusing more on how to trade in the Bank Nifty options contract, but even then we need to see the price actions, what is happening in the Bank Nifty index futures. So yesterday the index futures opened somewhere near 32,500, and right after the opening continuously it went up till 33,600 and closed near 33,550, maybe near 33,600 itself. And today the Nifty index futures is expected to open with a gap gap up. So possibly you can expect Bank Nifty also to open with a small gap, maybe small or big gap. We could not predict it exactly, but what we think is maybe it will be in and around 34,200. So 34,200 maybe the area where the market can expect, you can expect the market to open near 34,200 or below that. But if it is going to open beyond 34,200, then we need to think about how we need to select the option strike. Assuming that the market is going to continue its buying, now let us have a view how to trade in the options market for Bank Nifty. As we had mentioned, the maximum today we will be selecting this at 34,200 strike, since we expect this to be the at the money or just out of the money option once the market opens. But if the market is opening above 34,200, then you need to think about it again, about selecting the strike. So for us, this weekly option, which is going to expire on 28th, this coming Thursday. So 34,200 will be the at the money option. Maybe whatever it is, we will select 34,200 strike for today's trading, which closed around 104.60 in the yesterday's market. Now let's go and see the chart, how it looks like. What happened? The price started moving from 20 rupees. You could see from 20 rupees yesterday the market went up till 120 and closed near 104.6. And today we expect this to open somewhere below 200 to 220, maybe within this below 220 range. And I had marked various support levels also. So wherever the market is opening, we could not actually predict the where the index premium will open, where the options premium will open. So we had marked various resistance, but we believe that anything near 220 to 200 within this range is good for buying. You can go for buying till 160 by placing stop at 140, but assuming that beyond our expectation this is going to open maybe like 260, then go for buying from 260 till 200 by placing stop at 180. So expecting the market to reach various targets, maybe the target is in your hand, you can book an exit at any point of time. We will be providing the stop loss range. So we think that these are the critical zones, and this is the strike price. If you want to trade in the options market, you can try this. Kindly open trading account with Goodwill. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give a missed call to 937 927. Take care. Bye.